Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Fusarium, a fascinating genus of fungi that's both intriguing and concerning for many. In this video, we'll be exploring what Fusarium is, its impact on plants, animals, and humans, as well as how to manage and prevent its spread. So, let's get started. What is Fusarium? First things first, Fusarium is a genus of fungi that includes over 1,000 species. It can be found in soil and affects a wide range of plants, causing diseases like root rot, wilt, and blight. But it's not just plants that are at risk. Fusarium can also produce toxins that may impact humans and animals. Impact on plants. When Fusarium infects plants, it can cause significant damage, including stunted growth, discolored leaves, and even death. Some common crops affected include wheat, corn, and bananas. If you're a gardener or farmer, it's crucial to be aware of the symptoms and take action early. Impact on humans and animals. As we mentioned, Fusarium can produce mycotoxins, which are harmful substances that can cause health issues in both humans and animals. Ingesting contaminated food can lead to nausea, vomiting, and even more severe symptoms like organ damage in extreme cases. Managing Fusarium in agriculture. Managing Fusarium in agriculture involves a combination of practices such as crop rotation, using resistant varieties, and proper irrigation. Fungicides can also be used, but their effectiveness may vary depending on the Fusarium species. Preventing Fusarium in homes and gardens. In home gardens, you can prevent Fusarium by using healthy seeds, ensuring good drainage, and avoiding overwatering. Sanitize tools and containers regularly, and remove any infected plants immediately to prevent the spread. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Fusarium. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of this fungus and how to manage it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy gardening.